Women members of parliament have accused their male counterparts of degrading women aspirants in political competition. The women leaders claiming they are disenfranchised because of stereotyping. Today, the MPs called on the National Assembly to approve the gender parity bill to secure the position of women on the decision-making table.
It is not only during wartime that dehumanization techniques are used. It is used in times when debates are heightened like now and in elections. And the reason for it is to increase violence and stereotypes. Yesterday's comment and statement referring to nominated women MPs as slay queens was unfortunate.
We must stop this stigma that for a woman to be nominated, you must lie around, whatever that means. And may I also say we are tired of being categorized into rural, urban women, classic women, slay queens, I don't know what, and nobody does the same classification to the men.
When Wanga, who has come from Kisumu and is married in Homa Bay, runs there, she's told, why don't you go back to Kisumu and run there? So you're doomed if you do, doomed if you don't. If you're married, you're bad. If you're single, you're bad. If you're divorced, it is worse. If you are a widow, it is even, you know, Mr. Speaker, these are the challenges that women are facing.
If we no longer agree to this, then let us go back to a referendum and say that we are not willing to actually enact this part of the Constitution or realize this particular provision of the Constitution.